Shanti, Shubham Gavendra, Suman Soni, Tanya Verma, Tanmay Kumar Jha, Tanmay, Rashika Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Karnik
Yuvraj
Sanghi is
Singh
present.
Solanki,
Ma'am, present. Yashika Singh.
Yuvraj Singh Solanki,
Ma'am, Suman Soni is present.
Suman Soni, okay, Suman, what for you? Latecomers may raise up their hand, or those who have not sat present for them when I called out their names. Raise up your hand. Yashika, done for you. You may lower down your hand. Diksha, where were you when I called out your name? From tomorrow, I'm not going to mark if you will not say present when I call out your name, Triksha. Remember. Lower down your hand, Triksha. Jatin Ramnani, which section? Why you guys don't write down the section along with your name? Jatin Ramnani, lower down your hand. Same with Karnik Sanghi. Lower down your hand, Karnik and Jatin. Cherry, you said present when I called out your name.
Yes, sir.
So your present is marked. Anyone else? Sahil Jithwani is now entering into the class. Okay, fine. So let's start with our chapter. Switch on your videos quickly, everyone. Switch on your videos.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Speak up.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my oral test is not done.
Sorry?
Ma'am, my oral test is not done.
Okay, now I'm not going to take. I will give you the marks according to the class performance only. Those who are remaining. If they were present on that day, then only.
Okay, ma'am.
And due to any connectivity issue or something, they were not able to speak up. I will give you the marks according to the class performance. So, that chapter. Who is entering now? Sit up straight. Sit with your books copies, everyone. Gavendra is now entering into the class. Let me mark you. And Divyansh Verma is entering. We are not having any Divyansh Verma in our class. All right. Good to see you all. Shubham, set your camera, Shubham. Okay, Shubham. Rest of you, switch on your videos quickly. Okay. Let's start our chapter. We were discussing chapter 5. Okay. All right. Separation of substances, right? That we were discussing, and in that chapter we have discussed so many techniques to separate the substances. What is the need for that? Separation of insoluble solids from a liquid. We have done with sedimentation, decantation, right? And loading, filtration, all these techniques we have discussed. After that, we separated out the soluble solid from a mixture. Like if the salt has been dissolved into water, how we will be able to separate it out. Okay, we have done this with the help of evaporation method. Okay, we have discussed that activity. I have showed you for that. Separation of liquid from a mixture, how we can okay, all these things, how water act as a solvent. We have done how the gases are soluble in water. I think the last topic is remaining for us, gases, solubility of gases in water. Okay, and after that we will discuss with the question answers part. We have not started with the question answer part yet. Who is going to tell me? I want to hear from Drishti is not there in my class. Should I ask from Cherry? Yes, Cherry. Can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Cherry. We have not started with the question answer part, right, Cherry?
Yes, ma'am.
We have to start with that, right? The chapter we have finished. All the things we have discussed. The last topic, solubility of gases in water, is remaining. Am I right? Okay, so solubility of gases in water. Open page number 63, everyone. So what I mean by that, gases are soluble in water, right? I have told you that oxygen gas is dissolved in water, and just because of that, aquatic plants. Jitesh, what happened? Jitesh. Yes, pay attention over here. So that's why the aquatic plants and aquatic animals are able to breathe, right? How they are able to breathe? Because they are having oxygen dissolved in water, which they can breathe out. Okay, so aquatic animals use that oxygen which is dissolved in water to breathe. They do it through their gills. Okay, इसीलिए गर्मियों के टाइम पे जब पॉन्ड्स वगैरह ड्राई अप हो जाती हैं तो dissolved oxygen कम हो जाती है, right? This leads to dying of the fishes. Shallow ponds, where it happened in the shallow ponds, जहाँ पर ponds बहुत गहरे नहीं हैं, shallow हैं, they are having little water with them, and if that water will get dried in the summertime, then oxygen will be less, or almost no oxygen will be there, and in that case no aquatic plants and animals will be able to survive. Okay, रिसर्चर्स ने एक नया मेथड फाइंड आउट किया है टी बैग्स के थ्रू वाटर को प्योरीफाई करने का. ओके, टी बैग्स जो है वो किसके बने हुए होते हैं? वो बने हुए होते हैं नोनो स्केल फाइबर. ओके, एंड ग्रेन्स ऑफ कार्बन. इससे क्या होगा कि वाटर में जितने भी इम्प्योरिटीज हैं वो सब फिल्टर आउट हो जाएंगे, राइट? जितने भी कंटामिनेंट्स हैं which are harmful for your body, that will get separated out. Okay, and the user has to we just have to place this tea bag in the neck of the water bottle, and the tea bag filter the water when we will drink it. Okay, we can drink it comfortably as that water will be filtered. Okay, so if anybody is having any doubt in this chapter, you guys may ask, otherwise I am going to start with the question answer part. Tejas, are you having any doubt? You are raising your hand, bacha. Please unmute yourself.
No, ma'am.
You have raised your hand. Are you having any doubt, Tejas?
Yes, ma'am.
Please speak up.
Ma'am, which type of T-Vex does we use? हम किस तरह के T-Vex हम यूज करें इसको फिल्टर करने के लिए?
Tea bags are made up of a special type of material, that is carbon grain से बना होता है और एक special type का fiber होता है, nano scale fiber. It's made up of that only. Okay, so वो क्या करता है, water purities को ले लेता है, उसको बिल्कुल purify कर देता है. आपको सिर्फ उसको water bottle की neck पे लगाना है and the water will get filtered. Okay, now start with the question answers part. And all of you may give the answer in the chat box. It's a type of chat test. Okay? And I want the answer from everyone. जो आंसर नहीं देगा, I will not mark present for them. मैं वापस red pen से absent mark कर दूंगी. I'm just noticing who is not giving me the answer. Okay? I'll just mark absent for you if you will not answer me in the chat box. Giving the answer in the chat box. So let's start with the oral questions we are having with us for chapter 5, separation of substances. Okay. So let me read out the first question. Let me share the book actually. It's getting loaded. Okay, it's done. All right, so we have to start with the oral question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Angel.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Angel.
मैम मैंने लास्ट क्लास में आपको एक स्क्रीनशॉट दिया था ना मैम
Beta, sorry, extremely sorry. I really forgot to ask Vice Principal Ma'am regarding that. Though I went to school yesterday, today I'll ask. Definitely.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम मैम प्लीज मैम मैंने अपनी सिस्टर से इसके बारे में डिस्कस किया था मैम उसने बोला था रजिस्ट्रेशन तो मैम मैं रजिस्ट्रेशन आज कर लूं
Yes, yes. You may go with the registration process. Okay, and the rest of the things I will let you know.
मैम बट रजिस्ट्रेशन करना कैसे मैम एक बार आप एक्सप्लेन कर दोगे
Okay, I will let you know privately later on. Okay.
So, ma'am, please give your number to me in chat box.
You may provide me yours. I will provide you the.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
You may provide me yours.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please see in the chat box.
Okay, I have done. I have taken the screenshot. I will let you know.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Let's start with the oral question. First is, why do we need to separate different components of a mixture? हमें क्यों separate out करना होता है different components को? Very good, Tejas. We need to separate different components from a mixture to remove undesirable and harmful substances and to obtain useful components. Tejas was typing and he has given the perfect answer. Very good, Tejas. Clap. Okay. Yes, Redam Naruka is also correct to separate out the mixture because to clean the impurities of water. Okay. All right. So the correct answer is we need to separate components from a mixture either to remove undesirable and harmful substances or to obtain useful components. Okay. Next, what are immiscible liquids? Give two example. Immiscible liquid के example दो quickly. Come to the next question now. Immiscible liquid, that means which cannot dissolve in water. तो water के साथ क्या डाल सकते हो आप? Water with? No, liquid. Liquid with water. Not vinegar. Vinegar तो dissolve होता है सुमन. वाटर के अंदर कौन सा ऐसा लिक्विड डालोगे जो कि डिसॉल्व नहीं होता? इमिसिबल लिक्विड. ओके, ऑयल इन वाटर इज करेक्ट याशिका. रिदम इज आल्सो करेक्ट. ऑयल इन वाटर. कोका कोला. क्ले इज द सॉलिड. मैं लिक्विड की बात कर रही हूँ. ओके, एवरीबडी सेइंग ऑयल. नो, सॉल्ट इज नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर सुमन. Oil weed, glycerin is also dissolved. Alum is a solid substance. Mustard oil, kerosene, right? You can give the example of kerosene as well as mustard oil. Write down kerosene and mustard oil. Water and sugar, वो तो solid और liquid हो गया ना सुमन? Glycerin dissolve हो जाता है याशिका. Immiscible नहीं है. Yes, petroleum is okay. Kerosene, mustard oil. All right. Soil, Palak, soil is a solid. I'm asking immiscible liquid in water. That means liquid के साथ liquid mix करना है. Come to the next question. So what are immiscible liquids? Liquid which do not mix and form separate layer. What definition you will write? Liquid which do not mix and form separate layer are called immiscible liquid. Third, what we mean by filtrate? A clear liquid obtained after filtration, that is known as filtrate, right? अगर आपने sand और water को filter किया है, then whatever you got in the beaker or the glass, that is the filtrate, and जो that is remaining on the filter paper is the residue. Okay, next. रेसिड्यू मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया इसी क्वेश्चन में. द इनसॉल्युबल सॉलिड व्हिच रिमेन्स ऑन द फिल्टर पेपर ड्यूरिंग फिल्ट्रेशन इज कॉल्ड रेसिड्यू. कम टू द नेक्स्ट साइंस क्विज. नेम द मेथड. आप लोग मुझे एमसीक्यूज के और इसके आंसर्स दीजिएगा चैट बॉक्स में, ठीक है? यू कैन नॉट टाइप दीज बिग क्वेश्चंस. साइंस क्विज मैं करवा देती हूँ. आफ्टर दैट यू गाइस हैव टू गिव मी द रिस्पॉन्स. Okay, first question का आंसर तो बहुत छोटा सा है साइंस क्विज में. You guys can answer in the chat box. Name the method which is used to obtain a solid substance that is dissolved in a liquid. Name the method. Very good, Rhythm. It is evaporation. Rhythm was the first to give me the answer in the chat box. No, before that. Parth has also, okay, along with Rhythm, Parth has also given the answer. Evaporation. Palak, Cherry, Suman, everybody is saying evaporation. Yes, it is evaporation. Second, how do we get water from a salt solution? By evaporation, okay, and condensation. Evaporation and condensation. All right, we get water from salt solution through evaporation followed by condensation. Yeah, ठीक है? Third पे आ जाइए. Come to the question number third. Give the name of the chemical substance which is used for quick setting down of fine particles of impurities. Yes, very good Rhythm. Very good Palak, Jitesh, Tejas. It is alum. A-L-U-M, alum. Correct. All of you are correct. Okay, next. Name two heterogeneous mixtures. Name two heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous means जो आपस में mix नहीं होते हैं. You have to name them. Name two heterogeneous mixture. Mixture of water and oil and mixture of chalk in water. सैंड एंड वाटर भी बोल सकते हो, ठीक है। ये हेट्रोजीनस मिक्सचर है, यानी ये डिसॉल्व नहीं होते हैं। तो अगर मैं ऊपर वाले पार्ट से लूंगी ऑयल इन वाटर में, देन आई गेट मोर अमाउंट ऑफ ऑयल रादर देन वाटर, एंड इफ आई टेक फ्रॉम द बॉटम आई गेट मोर अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर। यानी एक जैसा नहीं है उनका, everywhere they are not mixed properly. Okay, yes, sand in water, oil in water. Okay, come to the worksheet now. MCQs, take the correct option. First question, a soluble solid from a mixture of solid and liquid is obtained by, yes, evaporation is the correct answer. Palak gave me this answer first. Very good, Palak. Write down the answer, not A, B, C. Write down the answer. Okay, next. Second, take the correct option. The mixture of sand and water can be separated by, yes, very good, Triksha. Triksha was the first to give me the answer. I want to give the answer for everyone. इनकी मैं नाम यहाँ रीड आउट कर रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ उन्हीं की प्रेजेंट मार्क करने वाली हूँ. Remember this thing. बाकी सबकी मैं एब्सेंट मार्क करूंगी, because if you are not present mentally in my class, it hardly matters if you are physically attended it. Okay? Yes. Sand or water को, are you having decantation over here? Just check the options, Yashika. Distillation, evaporation, filtration and condensation. It is filtration. Kratika, you are right. Filtration. Okay. Third one, a mixture of mustard oil and water can be separated by, yes, you are correct, Triksha again. Very good, Triksha. Palak, come to the third one. No, it's not filtration. Palak, you are not correct. I want to answer quickly. How you will separate out? Mustard oil और अलग layer बना देता है ना, मैंने इसके लिए आपको वीडियो भी दिखाया था. Yes, Cherry Vijay, you are correct. Palak, सारे ऑप्शन बोलोगे आप? No, Rhythm, you are not correct. Yes, it is separating funnel. Okay? Separating funnel is the correct answer for the third one. What is formed when we dissolve a substance in water? What is formed when we dissolve a substance in water? Yes, correct. Palak is correct. Cherry is correct. Rhythm is correct. Suman is correct. Kritika is correct. Jitesh is correct. Yashika is correct. All of them are saying, giving the same answer. That is, yes, Tejas, it is solution. Okay. Next question. A solution in which no more substance can be dissolved at a given temperature. That is called, और नहीं कर सकते. मैंने आपको बताया था ना कि अगर एक हाफ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर के अंदर मैं 2 बाउल शुगर मिला दूं, spoon by spoon I am adding sugar in that there will be a condition where I will not be able to add up any more. मैं और नहीं ऐड कर सकती. Yes, Cherry, very good, Cherry. So what that, yes, very good, Tejas, you are also correct. What that solution is called? No, Jitesh. No, Suman, you are not correct. No, Palak, you are wrong. Okay, what it is being called? No, Yashika. It is known as no more substance can be dissolved. It's a saturated solution. Saturated. अब मैं उसमें और, if I want to add up more sugar in that, I cannot. It's saturated. Okay. Come to the sixth one. After harvesting, the grains of food crops are separated by, grains of food crops. कैसे separate करते हैं? पहले, सबसे पहले, just after harvesting, it's asking. Yashika. कटाई के just path. Again, Rhythm and Cherry are correct. And that is threshing. No Palak, no Tanmay. You guys are not correct. No Parth, not all of these. It's threshing. And where we are having the option of all of these, Parth, just check out the options. Yes, it is threshing. Okay. Come to the next question. Circle the odd ones and give reason for your choice. Okay. Which question number 2 you are asking, Yashika? Yes, Tejas. Circle the odd ones. Give reason for your choice. Hand picking, evaporation, winnowing, and threshing. Let me turn the page as we are here. On the B question, we are discussing. Okay, let me check out the chat box as I'm getting continuously answers over there. So we are discussing circle the odd ones. Okay, so evaporation is the separate word as everybody is saying, and the reason is that it is used to separate soluble solid dissolved in a liquid. It is used to separate soluble solid dissolved in a liquid. Okay. And hand picking, winnowing, threshing, ये तो solid से solid को separate out करते हैं, जबकि ये soluble solid को dissolve liquid में से separate out करता है. Okay. Next, sedimentation, decantation, winnowing or condensation. Okay. Parth is also saying, Parth, you are correct. Tejas, you are correct. Palak, you are correct. Rhythm is correct. Yachika is correct. All of them are saying winnowing. Okay, so winnowing is the correct answer. Sedimentation, decantation, and condensation and winnowing. Winnowing is the different one. And why winnowing is different? Because it is used to separate the desired substance from a mixture of food grains and husk. Okay? Third, very good. Tejas gave me the answer first before even reading the question. I read the question. Sand, sugar, chalk, and what? Chalk powder and water. Yes, rest of them are solid and water is a liquid. It's a solvent. That's why water is a different one. Circle for the water. Solute, solvent, solution, and sand. Quickly. Solute, solvent, solution, and sand. Okay, very good. Who gave me the answer first? Palak was first, then Rhythm, then Karnik, then Tejas, Yashika. Everybody is saying sand. Parth, Suman. Yes, everybody is saying sand. Kritika, Cherry. All of them are saying sand. So Manju, sand is the correct option. Okay, because it is not the part of a solution. All these are the part of solution. Solute, solvent, solution. Sand is a different one. It's a solid substance. Okay, now let's start with the fill up. The mixture having components of dash sizes are separated by the process of sieving. छानने में, sieving करने में. Components का क्या होना चाहिए? Size. Very good. Cherry was the first to answer. Cherry, you are correct. Jitesh is also correct. Parth is correct. Yashika correct. Manju correct. Different. Yes, Karnik, you are correct. Kritika, different. Okay? Different is the answer. Second one. Grain and husk can be separated by using. Quickly. Okay, Cherry gave me the answer first. That is winnowing. Then I got the answer from Karnik. Yes, Karnik, Cherry, you guys are correct. Rhythm. Suman is also correct. Manju is also correct. It's winnowing. W-I-N-N-O, W-I-N-G, winnowing. Third, dash and dash can be used for separating insoluble solid from liquid. Liquid में जो solid dissolved नहीं होता है. How you can separate it? Keep on doing the book exercise along with me. Dash and dash can be used. Okay, Karnik is the first to give the answer. Very good, Karnik. You are correct. Cherry is also correct. Not got the answer from anyone else yet. No, Tejas. Correct, Tejas, this time. Yes, it is sedimentation and decantation. Sedimentation and decantation. SEDIMENTATION. Sedimentation and decantation. Sedimentation and decantation. Okay. Next, fourth one. Dash is used to separate stones and pebbles from sand at construction site. Okay, got answer from Parth and Suman. Cherry has not written the correct spelling. Same with Suman. Parth ने भी सही spelling नहीं लिखी है seed की. Yashika, yes, Yashika, you are correct. SIEVE. SIEVE. Okay. Sieving is used. Sieving you can write. SIEVING. Yes, Rhythm, you are correct. Okay, next fifth. The extent to which a substance gets dissolved in a liquid is called its. Quickly, give me the response. Not got for anyone yet. The extent to which a substance gets dissolved in a liquid. कितना डिसॉल्व हो सकता है किसी लिक्विड के अंदर कोई सब्सटेंस, वो क्या कहलाएगा उसकी सॉल्युबिलिटी. राइट डाउन सॉल्युबिलिटी. Nobody was able to give the answer for this one. It is solubility. Okay, got everyone? I have sent it. Okay. Yes. हाँ, I haven't checked. Actually, मेरा chat box ऊपर था. अभी मैंने check किया. You have given the answer, Cherry. Okay. Next question. MCQ section B. Section B पे आइए. In the process of winnowing of wheat grains mixed with tiny bits of paper, which will fall at a great distance. Yes, you are correct. Riksha is correct. Cherry is correct. It's bits of paper. Bits of paper. Second, in decantation, we can pour the clean water into another beaker gently with the help of. Gently with the help of. Yes, Palak, you are correct. Palak is the first one to give the answer. No, Rhythm. Not perfectly correct, Rhythm. Yes, it is glass rod. Glass rod, Karnik, not glass tube. It's glass rod. Glass rod क्या होती है? एक रॉड की तरह, पेंसिल की तरह होती है, कांच की. ठीक है? Okay, got it? So we can pour the clean water into another beaker gently with the help of that glass rod. Okay, next one. During filtration, what do we obtain on the filter paper? What do we get? Okay, I got the answer first from Yashika. Yashika is correct. Cherry is correct. Tejas is correct. No, Suman, not clean water. Filter paper पे क्या मिलता है? Yes, residue. Residue. RESIDUE, residue. The salt from seawater is made by the process of. The salt from seawater is made by the process of, yes, evaporation. And I got answer first from Yashika. Okay. Next. Very short answer type question. Method is used to separate grains from stalk? Which method is used to separate grains from stalk? हैंड पिकिंग से कैसे सेपरेट करोगे पलक? स्टॉक क्या होता है? उनका नीचे का जो तना होता है, जो पार्ट होता है. How you will separate? Yes, very good, Rhythm. Kritika was the first to give the correct answer, Kritika. But you haven't written the correct spelling, Kritika. Correct your spelling. Rhythm is also correct. Rhythm, Palak is also correct. Yashika is also correct. Yes, Triksha, it is threshing. Write down everyone, it is threshing. THRESHING, threshing. Kritika, again wrong spelling. THRESHING, threshing. Okay, next question is, name give an example from our daily life where the processes of sedimentation and decantation are used. कहाँ यूज करते हैं हम sedimentation और decantation? आसपास में कहीं दिखता है आपको? Okay, water tank by alum, yes you can say. Kitchen में कहाँ यूज करते हो sedimentation और decantation? You use in kitchen. Simple muddy water, cleaning of muddy water, right? It happens in our surrounding. बारिश पड़ती है, कीचड़ वाला पानी हो जाता है, उसके बाद mud gets settled down and the water will get evaporate. Okay? So what you will write for this? Cleaning of muddy water. You may write these answers in the book only with the pencil. Third, name any two processes used to separate soluble components from a mixture. Evaporation and condensation. Evaporation and condensation for third. Third का आंसर लिखो, evaporation and condensation. Quickly write down along with me, everyone. Evaporation and condensation, not consideration, Palak. Evaporation and condensation. Okay. Next question. Name the method by which we can separate seeds and pulp from the fruit juice. Filtration. Yes, Rhythm is correct. Tejas is correct. Filtration. Write down filtration in your book. Next, what we mean by condensation. What is condensation? Very good, Suman. Process of changing vapor into liquid. From liquid nahi. Vapor into liquid after cooling. Okay. The process of changing vapor into its liquid state. I got the answer from Suman Soni first. The process of changing vapor into its liquid state on cooling is called condensation. Yes. Changing of vapor into liquid state on cooling. Okay. Next. Two types of mixture. Two types of mixtures. Quickly give me the response. Not got for anyone yet. No, ये तो liquids के type होते हैं भाई. Mixture के दो type. Yes, Suman Soni, you are correct, but not with the correct spelling. Anyone else? No, Rhythm. Okay, Suman has given me the right answer. Homogeneous and heterogeneous. I am sending the answer to everyone. Homogeneous and heterogeneous. Write it down. Keep on doing the book exercise along with me only. Very short तक आपकी बुक में किया हुआ होना चाहिए. साथ के साथ करते जाइए. Don't keep your work pending. Okay, short and long question answers. Thoughts, application based question. These are remaining for us. Okay, that we are going to discuss in our next class. Time is over. Give me 1 second. If I can share the answers with you. Let me check if I'm having time to do that. Give me 1 second to share the answers. Okay, I'm trying to do that.